Look what I made. My friends are coming over tonight. I made this Taiwanese style bagel inspired by a Taiwanese bakery in Miopane that recently popped up in Pasadena. Whoa, so many variety of bagels. I ordered a matcha bagel and cheese bagel.
Bagel shop is really good. Since my friends are coming over, I'm trying to recreate it. Let's see how it turns out. Let's make the starter first.
Flour, yeast, and water. Mix until it becomes a paste. Alright, leave in the refrigerator for overnight. After 12 hours, the starter is ready. Look, so pretty. Now let's make the matcha bagel dough by adding the flour, matcha powder, starter, and the water. Mix until it becomes a smooth dough. Let's do the window pane test. I think it looks good. Use a piece of dough and flatten in a mug. Make sure your mug has a measurement. Now proof the dough with the mug.
Alright, while the dough is proofing, I'm going to make the matcha filling first by using this special ingredient, milk powder. This filling is very popular in Taiwanese pastry.
Butter, milk powder, matcha powder, cream, egg, and sugar. Mix until it becomes a smooth paste. Now the dough has been proofed. Divide the bite into 6. Now it's time to shape the bagel. Enjoy the ride. Making the plain bagel dough, same method as matcha dough. Making the cheese filling, I'm using cream cheese, black pepper, and cheddar cheese. Mix until it's incorporated. Time to shape the cheese bagel. Enjoy the ride. Alright, proof the final dough for 30 minutes.
Now we are going to test it to see if it's ready to bake. Good.
Finally, cook the bagel before we bake. We only need to boil for 30 seconds to 1 minute. Lastly, add the topping before baking, cheese and oatmeal. Time to bake. See you guys later. Wow, these bagels look pretty and stunning. Oh, my friends are here. I gotta go. I will make more recipes like this. Hope see you guys next time.